notes. So we had started with the supporting tissue in the previous class, and one of the type of supporting tissue we have already discussed, that is parenchyma. So today we have to start with the second type of supportive tissue, that is collenchyma. Okay, there are three types of supportive tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay, and today we have to start with collenchyma. So this is collenchyma. First we have to understand the meaning, literal meaning of collenchyma. So collen is the Latin term which means glue, and chyma, it means infusion. So inside a cell, the cytoplasm and the cell organelles are present in the form of what? Infusion. And when the two cells are sticking together, okay, then such type of tissue will be known as what? Collenchyma. When two cells are stick together, and this sticking is possible due to a glue-like material, and this glue, due to the sticking of one cell with the other cell, like with the help of the glue-like material, this type of tissue is known as collenchyma. And what is the glue over here? That is the pectin. So let's start with the structural features of collenchyma. Here the cells are elongated. Okay. So if you will see the lateral view of this tissue, the cells are elongated in nature. Okay. And the cell wall is thickened at the corners. So when the cell wall is thickened at the corners, the cell will appear hexagonal in shape. And what will be deposited or being thickening at the corners is a polysaccharide, and that polysaccharide is known as what? Pectin. So pectin is a type of polysaccharide which is deposited at the corners of the collenchymatous cells, and if you will observe these collenchyma from the upper view, it will appear hexagonal in shape. Okay, so this deposition is due to the which substance? That is pectin. Cell wall is thickened at the corners due to the deposition of a substance known as what? Pectin. And pectin is what? A polysaccharide. Okay, then the another structural feature is what? Intercellular space is reduced. So as compared to the parenchyma which has maximum intercellular space, in this collenchyma the intercellular space is reduced. Okay, then the another structural feature is what? Vacuoles are large and nucleus lies towards the periphery. Here you see vacuoles are large and nucleus is towards the periphery. So these are the structural features of collenchyma. That is, the cells are elongated, the cell wall is thickened at the corners due to the deposition of a polysaccharide which is known as pectin, and due to the deposition of polysaccharide at the corners, the cells appear hexagonal in shape. Okay, due to the deposition of polysaccharides at the corners, the cells are appearing hexagonal in shape. Then intercellular space is reduced in this. Vacuoles are large. Here the vacuoles are large and the nucleus is towards the periphery. Okay. Now what is the location of this collenchyma? So this collenchyma is found in the leaf stalk. I think in standard 6 you have studied about the structure of leaf. So this is the simple structure of leaf. So it is present in this region. This part of the leaf by which you hold it is known as stalk. So this collenchyma is present in the leaf stalk. Then it is also present below the epidermis of the stem. If you will see the TS of the stem, the outermost layer is the protective tissue, that is epidermis. So below the epidermis, a tissue is present, that is collenchyma. Now what is the function of it? So this you must have observed, while you pluck the leaf, it is not easily getting off. So a tissue is present over there, that is collenchyma, which provides rigidity to the plant parts. Okay, so rigidity as well as flexibility. So this collenchyma provides rigidity and flexibility to the plant parts, and as it is a part of supportive tissue, so as well it will provide support to the plant. So function is to provide rigidity and flexibility to the plant parts, and also it provides support to the plant parts. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.